Hi, first grade. It's Mrs. Deibler coming to you from her living room with your Monday phonics lesson. The past 2 weeks, we've worked with diphthongs. Okay. This week, I'm going to show you 2 words to start us out with. Okay. Here's my first one. It is fool. Stop acting like a fool, right? And my other one is moon. Moon. I'll say those one more time. Fool and moon. Now, what did you notice about these 2 words? If you said they both have the OO in them, you are right. Now, does the OO make the same sound in both words? Fool, moon. Doesn't. So guess what our phonics lesson is this week? The 2 sounds of ooh. Now, I want you to look at these 2 pictures. The first one you see is a what, everybody? A hook. Good job. Our second picture is a spoon. Now, how are they alike? We just talked about this, didn't we, guys? How are they different? So how are they alike? They both have the OO in them. Now, how are they different? We just talked about this when we used our 2 words on our index cards. The OO makes 2 different sounds. Good job, guys. Now, we either call the OO short or long. The OO sound in spoon, ooh, spoon, we say is long. So if you hear the ooh, it's long. And in hook, the is short. So remember, ooh is long, is short. Below, we will read a couple of short and long words. The more we practice, the better we will get at this. So are you ready? First, we are going to do the short vowel sound. The first one is hood. Right? Uk. Ut. We have long. Foolish, foolish, spool, and tool. Now we're going to read those words one more time. We have hood, nook, soot, foolish, spool, and tool. Oops. Now we're going to watch a video if it works. It's going to work because it likes me today.
Hello, my name is Mr. Thorne and you are watching MrThorneDoesPhonics.com. And the good news is, the hat is back. And what an exciting week it's been with features in the Hammered High, the London Evening Standard and BBC London local radio. But I don't go on about it, really. Now, here is today's sound, and it is spelt with the OO grapheme. And here is the digraph here, look, and it's a digraph because it's 2 letter shapes making one sound, and it makes the ooh sound. Ooh, ooh, ooh. In these words. Ooh, hoop. Ooh, food. Ooh, moon. Zoo. Noon. Spoon. Pool. Zoom. Boost. Shoot. School. Balloon. The double O grapheme also makes the sound. Here it is again. In these words. Look. books. Looked. Foot. Shook. Tooth or tooth. Mushroom or mushroom. Find out about more short vowels and long vowels at mrthorndoesphonics.com.
Now there he went over the two different sounds of O-O. Now we're going to try and complete some sentences. So I want you to think of words that have the oo in them, and let's see if we can figure out what our missing word is. Goldilocks went for a walk in the... Where did Goldilocks find the bear's house? Forest? No. Trees? No. Woods. Let's see if that's right. Good job, boys and girls. The next one. There was a bird on the blank of the house. What's on the top of the house? Roof. Good job. I sat on a blank at dinner. Chair. Nope, that doesn't have the ooh. Stool. Yes, good job. I like to read in the blank under the stairs. I got it. Nook. Good job, guys. Finally, I want you to look at the words and read them and try to write them in sentences. In addition, complete the worksheet if you can on the paper-based activities. So here are all your words for the week. So we're going to read through them right across, starting at foolish, go across, and then down. We have foolish, nooks, spoon, soot, brook, hooking, stool, hood, root, troop, crooked, noon, hoop, wooden, spool, tool, foot, groomer, understood, woolly, and cool. So here are your words for the week. Hope you guys enjoy this, and we miss you all. Bye.